Good morning, everyone. Welcome. Today in the daily newspaper of Tuesday, September the 5th, 2023, we have two regular puzzles, and those puzzles are the binary puzzle, in Japanese Takuzu, and this one is 12 by 12. Yes, 12 by 12, a large one, and we have a killer Sudoku. In this newspaper, we have also an additional with extra puzzles that I will solve in the evening. Yes, in the evening, not right now. Let me show you the additional of Tuesday, September the 5th, 2023. We have a letter Sudoku, 2 stars, 3 stars, and a 4-star Sudoku. Two jigsaw Sudokus, one with 4 stars, one with 1 star, and the last one is a binary puzzle, 9 by 9. Yes, no, 8 by 8. These puzzles, I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all. 4 of them I will solve. But let me solve the first one. The first regular puzzle. It's a binary puzzle. And what's the news of today? Well, we have a second summer now because it's getting warmer. Tomorrow, 30 degrees. I cannot believe this. We got a second summer. The weather is changing. Climate is changing. Well, this one will be number, I believe, number 70. 7041. Yeah, 41. 7041. Let me put this here. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, I've not counted. There's a lot here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 36 printed digits. 12 by 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 2. 12 by 12. Yeah, a large one. Alright, that means 12 by 12 that we, in a row or in a column, there are always 6 ones and 6 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Let me start with the double O's. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, oh, here one, there one. Okay. Double O, here one, there one. 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 Okay, now the double ones. Double one, here no, there no. 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 And now the double O's again. Double O, here one, there one. Double O's, here one, there one. Then we have double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Double ones now. Double one, here no, there no. Well, between two ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this is number 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah. Double O, here one, there one. Between two ones comes an O. Well. Between two ones comes an O. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If I place number 6 there, then we have 3 ones in a row in this row. Not allowed one of the rules of this can be known. This should be a 1. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Between 2 ones comes in O. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Double O. Here 1, there 1. Between 2 ones comes in O. Well. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Double 1. Here no, there no. Well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I cannot place the 6th one there. Otherwise, we have 3 O's in a row in this row. Not allowed one of the rules. So this can be 1. This should be no. Double O here, 1 there, 1. Double 1 here, no, there, no. Double 1 here, no, there, no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Double 1 here, no, there, no. Double O here, 1 there, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Between 2 ones comes an O. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. Double O here, 1 there, 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so 5 O's. So this should be the 6th one. Okay, between 2 O's comes in 1. Between 2 ones comes in O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 O's. So the rest are 1s. Double 1 here, no, there, no. Double O here, 1 there, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. This is number 6. Between 2 ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 O's. So the rest are 1s. Double 1 here, no, there, no. Double O here, 1 there, 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. Double O here, 1 there, 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Double 1 here, no, there, no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 O's. So the rest are 1s. Double 1 here, no, there, no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I cannot place number 6 there. Otherwise, we have 4 ones in a row in this column. Not allowed one of the rules of this can be known. This should be 1. If I place number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here, the 6th one, then we still have 3 ones in this 3 ones in a row in this column. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be this should be a 1. Double 1 here, no, there, no. Double 1 here, no, there, no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Double 1 here, no, there, no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 O's. So the rest are 1s. Double O here, 1 there, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. How about here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Come on. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ones. So rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. If we place number 6 there, then we have 4 ones in a row in this first row. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be no. This should be a 1. If I place number 6 there, we still have 3 ones in a row in this first row. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be no. This should be a 1. Double 1 here, no, there, no. Double O here, 1 there, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ones. So the rest are O's. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 O's. So the rest are 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 1s. So the rest are O's. Double O here, 1 there, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 1s. So the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Compare. We need to compare. Seems like we need to compare. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. We have a double one here. Here we have a double one. Oh, almost the same. Almost the same. The one. Well, we cannot compare these rows, so we need to compare this column. These columns. Double O. Do we have a double O here? E. Oh, not the same here. Not the same. Double one, double O, double one, O. Yeah, we got you. The first column and this column. Alright, let me compare. O, 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 1, 1, 1, 1, O, 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 1, 1, 1, 1, O, O, empty box. 1, 1, empty box. Okay, we need to switch these two digits. We have an O here, this should be a 1. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 O's. So the rest are 1s. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6 1s. So the rest are O's. Double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Completed in 11 minutes. Well. We solved it again. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also solve myself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you in a minute with the other puzzle. Until then, bye bye for now.